Hello fellow learners, Professor Banasic here, and welcome to a short video recap of week 1 and how we stand for week 2. So, first of all, congratulations on jumping right in and interacting with our new class of students. The activity has been really good, and I applaud your activity levels so far. In the introductions we had, 45 posts. Many of those were mine, but much better, 67 in 1.1 dB and 66 in 1.2. So we're getting there. As you know, the requirements are 4 responses to different students in each week, a minimum of 4. Please do more, because the more activity we have, the more value we all gain out of this course. I'm learning with you, and I want to get as much out of this course as I can as well. Let me just point out, ask questions about this course. Very important tab. Please use it. Students, if you see a question there that you feel you can answer, jump in. Put your 2 cents in. I'll applaud the activity, and you may get to fellow students before I do, so you can actually be of great help to your classmates. This is the place to do it. Also, don't forget, we need not only to respond to students and to post thoughtful and substantive primary posts, but we need to support our statements with citations and references. So in-text citations using parentheses, author, comma, date, close parentheses, and then the associated reference at the end of the post in APA format. Any questions on that, look at the course information tab. There are lots of helpful links. Now in Unit 2, let's go to the unit. I'm going to navigate over here, and just to mention that in addition to the material we have for the new information, we also have an introduction to our class project, which will be our final marketing plan. This is due the end of week 7, and you'll notice there are a few links here. There's the rubric for the writing assignments, general rubric. There is an APA paper template that is useful for all of your typical assignments, because all assignments in college require title page, reference page, and APA format. And also a template for the marketing plan with some headings already inserted. So you'll want to be sure to use these. What I suggest you do is save these. As you come across these in various units, you may forget where you've seen the directions. So as soon as I see them, I save them in a dedicated folder just for this course. That way I can always refer back and say, gee, I think there was a template there, let me go look. So sure enough, I'll find it. And also I save these directions in the start of the paper. So on the title page, I'll usually paste all this stuff and then delete it once I'm ready to submit. So I have it there and I can refer to it as I need. That's just a hint of the method that I use. You may have a different method, but the important thing is to have some kind of organizational method to help you become more efficient with these and other assignments as they come up. Let's see. I don't think there's anything else in here I wish to stress at the moment. On the quizzes, you do have 3 attempts for all of the quizzes. I've set them for 3. And there was a question in the questions discussion area about getting feedback, and I've set the feedback to be available to you the Saturday after the due date. That gives other students a chance to post late if they would prefer to post late at a 10 point per day penalty. I don't know why someone would want to do that, but sometimes we're forced, I know. So that's all I have now. Thank you very much for your participation. I really appreciate the activity, and I hope we get a little additional activity this coming week. Be sure to keep references coming and citations in text, APA format. Use outside resources, much stronger than just using the textbook, but use a textbook if you must. See you on the discussion boards.